Dear God, thank you for giving me another chance to be happy, and I should celebrate it. I am so grateful to you for all the good things that have happened so far. Whatever the future holds, please guide and protect me. You've given me the gift of life, because this life is so precious and full of opportunity. I have a responsibility to live it to the fullest. I will use my time wisely to make the most of it. No matter how difficult the journey may seem, I'll always follow your lead. Lord, thank you for always being there for me, even when I didn't deserve it. This year, I'll make a point of showing my loved ones how much I care. Please shower me with love and joy so I can share it with everyone around me. Thank you so much for another year of amazing memories. And thank you to all the people who kindly remembered my birthday today. Amen.